start dancing. Boopy boo 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 boo. That's it, Luca. You got the moves. Luca's got the moves. Come on, Max. Maxie, there you go. Yeah. Ooh 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 ooh. Do do do. Today, there you go. Luca's got it. You go, Luca. Go, Luca. Go, Luca. Go. 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 Cut to 15 years from now, you guys will be dancing at the high school dances. The girls will be surrounding you. Hopefully you won't be in the corner, afraid to talk to girls. No, you guys are too cute for that. Oh, Max. Oh, let's not kick Luca. Not yet. You save that for later. When you guys are wrestling. When your big boy's wrestling. No, sir. And you better believe we're playing this video at your wedding. Both of your weddings. You better believe it. You better believe it, Luca Duca. You, Maxie. Are you doing YMCA already? YMCA. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What do you have to say, Luca? What do you have to say? Say hello, future wife. I was a very cute baby, and look at me dancing already. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the Latin lover in me dancing up a storm. What about you, Max? I may be gringo, but I can try. Look at me. I may be gringo, but all my chubbies will dance, dance, dance. And to your future wife, what should we say? Hello, future wife. I hope our babies are as cute as me. I hope so. That would be so fun. Woo! Oh, Luca's getting into it. Oh, yes, he is. Oh, yes, he is. Okay, guys, the battery's going to die. Any parting words? Any parting words? Boop. Boop. Beep.